With India's right now, it's a brand which cannot be ignored in the market. At the moment, performing under one of the top 10 developers in Dubai. However, fully serviced apartments, what are they, right? Why? Because here, you will be having the 24-hour bellboy. You'll get the concierge service. You'll get the valet parking. You'll get the cleaning 3 times a week. We're all going to be having these in a dedicated area which is separate from the residential for the service apartments.
Now tell me, what do you guys see here? Building, very good. Anything else? Commercial and retail. Community. You know what I see?
Class.
I see opportunity to earn a lot of money, right? So for me, I see a beautiful opportunity here where every one of us can make it big. And something that we need to move fast. It has residential, apartments, it has commercial, and some of them starting with 1.6, 1.7 also. It has a direct ramp that goes to the building, and we are in conversation and proposals with this bridge as well from the commercial building to metro station.
How many years per block?
But I give you a rough idea, a block will have close to, let's say, 400 units.
Layouts are something similar to what you see.
Layouts, we do very, very simple layouts. So yes, it's going to be on a similar line. In addition to it, it's a very, very fresh concept. You know, it's not that everyone is making. Imtiaz always does luxury in a different fashion. This is something we wanted to bring very fresh, very new concept, something that we can talk. And one more thing that we identified, that earlier the investor age group was always 35 to 50, right? And 55, 60. Right now, if you see, the new millionaires are all new people, like new young youth, which is the new investor. So it's spotting that 25 to 35 are the new investors, the new people who like to live in an environment which is more, you know, a lot of survey was done with Gen Z when we were designing this. That what is the ambience that they thrive, you know, something very modern. It will be replicated in Miami, London and Madrid. Okay, so it's an international, the Raw District becomes an international brand.